Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important something. When your gas lighter is no longer bringing out flame, worry no more. The solution is here. If your gas lighter is no longer bringing out flame, don't worry yourself anymore. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make use of the lighter so that it will start working again. See this one? The flame is still coming out. But before then, please do well to subscribe, like or share. It is free. Let's get to the business. This is gas lighter. You see, it's bringing out flame. Look at it very well. This one is still okay. It's still working. See, it's working. This is the second lighter. This one is no longer bringing out flame. See, no longer bringing out flame. Wow. But don't condemn it. I will tell you that it's still okay. You can still make use of it. See, this one is no longer working. See, it's no longer working. So this one is another gas lighter. Look at it. It's no longer bringing out flame again. This is the second one. Look at it. No flame anymore. This one is good. See? See? Still working. So I want to tell you what to do now. Since the lighter is still making sound, like if you strike it, look at it, you can still hear the sound. And look at it from the mouth. You see the spark. When you strike it, you can see the spark. Because of nature of the gas, which is highly flammable, only that spark alone is enough to light the gas. You see, there is no flame, but you can see the spark. You can see the spark. Look at it very closely. You can see the spark. Wow. See the spark. So as it is now, I can tell you and I can assure you that it can still light up gas. What do you need to do? Just go close to your gas cylinder, turn on the control knob, then strike the match. Imagine, no flame, but it can light gas. Because of the nature of the gas, look at it. There is no flame, but it can still light the gas. Wow, that just is. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thanks once again for watching.